Is your reputation costing you business? Welcome to today's presentation about reputation. So, is your reputation costing you business? Are you losing business? Okay, hi everyone. Before we get into the presentation itself, let me introduce myself. My name is Eddie. I've been doing business online since 1996. I have started and built several web properties, growing one of them to 8 digits turnover in just 5 years with zero advertising spent. Of course, that was sold. I sold that web property. I'm a certified trainer and accredited business coach and consultant. I offer training and consulting services for companies or individuals looking to establish their own presence online or want to take their business to the next level. I'm employing the coach, consult, and train approach, which are hugely popular with many businesses around the world. So if you're interested, you can hit me up. I will leave my contact information at the end of the presentation. Okay, before we begin, would you be interested in knowing how to get up to 250% more conversion to your website with one simple 10-minute strategy? No catch, one simple strategy. So if you're interested, you can book a Zoom meeting with me and I'll show you how. Alternatively, send me an email at hey@editio.com and we can take it from there. The QR code is on the screen. You can use it to scan for the link, or you can just key in the link on the screen now to access to my calendar. Yeah, I'll be sharing the same screen again at the end of the presentation. Okay, let's begin. There's one song that says, "I don't give a damn about my bad reputation." Sounds fun, yeah? Okay, the lyrics sounded fun and rebellious when Joan Jett sang them, but that attitude when it comes to taking or doing your business, your online business can be disastrous. Okay, so if you have that kind of attitude, probably this video is not for you. So, but if you are interested in seeing how to make sure and manage your reputation properly online, feel free to stay around, and then we'll try to share as much as I can. Yeah. Okay, so not caring about your online reputation is a mistake. Your online reputation consists of more than your carefully thought out website and social media pages. Okay, so most importantly, your online reputation is something that you can control for the most part. Here's what you need to know, yeah? The elements of your online reputation. Okay, so your online reputation is a total of everything shown or said about your company or your services online. That means that all of these play a role in creating your reputation. First thing first, the quality and the design of your website, your blog, your social media pages and posts, your online reviews. That's the most important. The online reviews, the testimonial and professional credentials, your online business listings. Okay, so all this contributes to your online reputation. In other words, you can have the best website in the world, but if your online reviews are terrible and you're not managing them properly, your reputation may be significantly less wonderful than you want it to be. So, okay, let's discuss how to get a handle on your online reputation. Okay, not sure about your online reputation, what it says about you. The first step is doing the reputation audit. What that means is that Googling your company and getting into the nitty-gritty of what people are saying about you and what they are thinking about you. Okay, so if you're interested, I actually have a tool. I can let you use it for free. If you're interested, I will try to incorporate another link onto this video. If not, send me an email. Ask me about the reputation review audit. I can just I'll send you a link for you to sign up, and then for you to access it for free. It's free. Yeah. The tool will actually go out and analyze what is going on with your company online. Okay, so I suggest starting with Google and scrolling down to at least the first 3 pages of results. My tool actually does this for you, so you don't have to do it manually. So visit any sites that mention your business and read about what they say about you. Make notes of any factual inaccuracies, especially or negative comments that you receive. You'll need all this down the line. Okay, so also track your social media mentions. If you don't know what people are saying about you on Twitter or Instagram, it's possible that you could be allowing incorrect or negative information about your company being spread. So you would not want that to happen. So you would like to continue monitoring it. Yeah. So make a list of all reviews, sites where consumers have reviewed about your company. At the same time, audit your NAP listings. Okay, NAP is very important in today's online marketing efforts. Your name, your address, and your phone number, so that you can standardize them and consolidate your online presence. Okay, so NAP needs to be consistent and needs to be updated. Okay, next, claim your listings on the review websites as much as you can. Go to as many as you can, and claim your listings. Okay, so visit every review website where your company is listed and do what you need to claim the listings. It's a pain. I definitely know that it's a pain because I've personally tried it for some of my clients. It's so difficult to claim them, and some of them actually ask for money to claim them. So the process involved may be very tedious, could cost you money. But it's important for you to start as soon as possible. Okay, so once you have claimed your listings, you should update all the relevant information about your business. You need to create compelling descriptions, upload photograph, pictures, including images of the inside and the outside of your business. Set up a system for responding to reviews, positive or negative. So you've got to have all this in place. Okay, so if you get a negative review, it's not really the end of the world. In fact, I would say no reviews would be bad reviews. So any reviews are considered good reviews because you are still being mentioned. Okay, so negative reviews can cause real problems if you do not respond to them promptly and professionally. So remember, every negative review is an opportunity for you to demonstrate that you care for your customers, and you can share your side of the story. Don't react. Respond to reviews and do not react to reviews. Okay, so it should also be a standard operating procedure for you to get more reviews. The customers that I've been working with, the businesses that I've been working with, this is one of the priority that I always tell them to do. Top priority, get more reviews. Okay, so reviews plays a huge role in your reputation because more than 80% of consumers actually read reviews before purchasing a product or before doing business with you. The good thing is, old reviews don't carry as much weight as the new ones. That means it's your job to encourage customers leave reviews. You want reviews to be fresh. You want reviews to be as recent as possible. You want reviews to tell you the good and the bad. Doesn't really matter, but you want them to be recent. Okay, so here I've got some creative ways to get more reviews. Of course, there are automated ways to do that as well. Talk to me. Okay, so number one, create an email sequence to ask your customers to write reviews. Okay, including links to one or more review sites. You can actually do this. Get all the links for you to allow people to go review your sites or your service or your business and your companies or whatever. Get all those links ready and share those links with your clients and customers. Okay, number two, explain how easy it is to leave a review. Okay, provide a basic review template for your customers to use if you can. Okay, number 4, give products to charities or do pro bono work. This will actually elevate your name in the market so that people finds out more about you. Okay, not only this will generate some good karma for you, but it's also likely that people who are at the end of the receiving or the receiving end of your generosity will say positive things about your business. And in fact, if there are some media coverage and things like that, people will share that, oh, this company A has done such good deeds, etc., etc. And the image that they have, they formulate in their brain is actually a positive one. Okay, number 5, incentivize your employees to ask for reviews, but do not overdo this. I have encountered businesses also, even before experiencing the business services or whatever, they have asked for a review. So once you check in at a receptionist, they ask, can you give us a review? That is a major turn off. Train your staff properly when you're asking for reviews. Train them properly so that they know how to ask at the right time using the right words. Yeah. So you can incentivize your employees to ask for reviews. It may be difficult to get an employee to do this, but you may be surprised. Once you incentivize them a little bit, they may be more than willing to ask for reviews. But always remember, ask at the right time with the right words. Okay, number 6, you can actually give customers a small freebie when you ask them for a review. First thing first is unethical. I have to share this with you, and Google fronts on this. It's unethical to offer a remuneration for reviews, but giving a gift that a recipient can keep, regardless of whether they review your business or not, is fine. Okay, so if you may want to give them, oh, this is a 20% coupon for your next visit. Would you mind to give us a review based on your experience? One auto workshop that I went to recently did exactly that, and I told them, this is a very, very smart way of getting a review. I may not use a 20% coupon for my next visit, but the impression that I gave was I had good experience with the service, and they're giving me a freebie, and next, they asked me for a review. So everything good, I may end up just giving a review. Okay, number 7, actually, you can actually also send a handwritten personalized notes to your clients or your customer asking for a review. Very, very personal touch here. Okay, number 8, if a customer praise you or your expresses gratitude, ask thank them, sorry, not thank you, thank them and ask them if they have left a review. If not, ask them would they be kind enough to give you a review. So if they have not, tell them how grateful that you'll be if they share their experience in a review, so that more people out there can find out about you, etc., etc. Okay, so number 9, respond to all reviews. I cannot say this enough. Positive reviews, negative reviews, respond to them. Okay, customers who look up on a business on Yelp may be more likely to leave a review after the fact that they see that the business owner actually respond to the reviews. Currently, actually, Google reviews are actually very, very, very much the in thing. A lot of people are actually looking at Google reviews before they decide whether to patronize your business or not. So whether whether it is a positive review or a negative review, you may want to respond to them, and don't respond to good reviews, positive reviews with a thank you. You are wasting the person's time. Take the opportunity, look at what they have commented, and then leverage on what they have commented and create your own response. To that comment. For negative reviews, don't react again. They may be accusing you of something that is not really happening. It's okay. Ask if they can, contact you directly, so that you can address the issue. Okay, ask them for contact or provide them with your contact so that they can contact you directly and let you address the issue directly with them, one-to-one. Okay, this is actually not for them to see. It's for the rest of the world to see. Okay, so this is one way, the two ways you should respond to a positive or a negative review. Okay, so many of the same rules applies to testimonial. So the best time to ask for a testimonial is where the customer is likely to be highly satisfied with you. If you have a customers who is very upset with what you have provided, please don't ask them for a testimonial. Common sense, right? Okay, so for example, a real estate agent may ask for a testimonial right after a successful closing, or a wedding photographer may ask for one after delivering the pictures to a happy couple. So if you have not addressed all the concerns of your client, address them first, then ask for a review. Okay, so make reputation management a top priority. You can actually use reputation for your marketing purposes also. If you want, hit me up, check with me on how to use reputation as a marketing tool, a very powerful tool to that. Okay, so the key to keeping your reputation strong is to make managing it a priority for yourself and for your employees. Okay, that means doing the following. Creating high quality relevant content for your website, your social media pages, etc., etc. And B, keeping up with technological advances, adding chatbots to your website, using automation to improve customer services, providing self-service options if available are all examples. Another example is accepting mobile payments at your business. Make it it's so easy to pay money nowadays. It's become so scary. But you should be adopting all this, so make sure it's easy. Make life easy for your clients, and your clients will make your life easy too. Okay, so C, regularly engaging and interacting with your fans, your followers, and your customers. Okay, and D, monitoring your social media mentions and responding when it's appropriate to do so. You don't have to respond all the time, but you will be good to acknowledge what your followers or your supporters have shared when you share their experience, with the rest of the world, talking about you. Again, E, have a system in place to regularly request for reviews and testimonials. And responding to all reviews, whether it's good or bad, in a professional manner. And G, asking your online followers for their opinions and listening to their concerns and suggestions. And H, regularly showing appreciation to your most loyal customers and incentivize them to become brand ambassadors even. Okay, so while it's true that you can't control every aspect of your online reputation, you can control a lot of it by taking active interest, engaging with your followers online, and making their satisfaction a priority. You can actually give a reputation a boost, and this will translate into business, more business for you. Okay, so ultimately, your online reputation plays a big role in your success. It's just a few minutes a day. You don't really need to spend a lot of time on it. You can implement procedures that will ensure your online reputation remains strong and help you to attract new business and retain your most loyal customers. Okay, so if you're interested in knowing how to get up to 250% more conversion to your website with one simple 10-minute strategy, hint, hint, it has a lot to do with reputation. Okay, no catch, one simple strategy, that's it. And book a Zoom meeting with me, and I'll show you how. Alternatively, send me an email at hey@editio.com, and we can take it from there. Okay, lastly, whatever we have shared today, nothing is going to work if you don't take action. My suggestion, please take action. Don't just sit there. Knowledge doesn't bring you anywhere. Actions brings you somewhere. Okay. So this presentation is by me. My name is Eddie. You can actually find my website, editio.com, or you can contact me via WhatsApp at that number on the screen. You can also reach me at the email, hey@editio.com. Till my next presentation, this is Editio signing off. Cheers.